Let me explain some of the AC options for the Chevrolet Beat LT top model. Yeah, this is AC. This switch is for AC. If you turn it to right side, automatically the AC switch on. The AC will be switched on, and if you turn it to left side, the AC will be switched off. If you press this symbol, automatically the automatic mode of AC switching on will be started. So if you want to this, you can do this. So if you want to go for the manual section, you can turn on the AC light by turning it to right side. So by turning it to left side, the AC will be switched off. This switch is for making the outside air to come inside the car. When you need some kind of fresh air to be blown into the air to the car, you can switch it on, but never switch it on when you are running AC. This switch is for to make the AC airflow down to the legs and to make the AC airflow upward. See, if you turn this side, left side, the air will flow to downside. If you turn upside, the air will be blown to upside. See, there is a symbol again for both of this. Both of the sections. It can flow downside and upside also. See, you can move it zigzagly until you reach your point of your desired airflow. Okay, but make sure this symbol should not be there, because this symbol is for the glasses. For the glasses, the airflow will be flown to the windshield, rear front side glass. So when there is fog, you have to switch on this switch, and you have to increase the temperature by turning it to right side, so that the glass which is filled with the fog will automatically get heated, and the fog will get disappeared. So these all things, if at all you have fog, so coming to when you turn to right side, the heater will switch it off. So switch off this thing. If it is not working like that, you can turn this button also zigzagly, then the symbol will go now. Switch off the AC. Make sure these are the symbols that the car should have when you want to turn on AC. That's all. And if you want to, if there is any fog on the front side glass, so these are the options I am going to tell you. Switch on increase this temperature, and switch on this button. Make that airflow to be switched off. This airflow should not be there. Yes, this is the option. For the glass, if there is any fog on the glass, because in some kind of in rainy season, when you switch on the AC, there will be some kind of fog will be formed on the glass. So to switch off, to make that fog to be disappeared on the glass, so these are the options which I'm telling you to follow to make that fog kind of thing to be disappeared on your front glass, so that your view will be good to drive your car safely. That's all, friends. To switch off this thing, let me tell you, reduce the temperature by turning this thing to left side, and switch off this thing. That's all. Sometimes it will be switched on, it will be switched off by turning this thing also. So these are the options that you can follow to make your car driving good. Have safe driving. Switch on your seat belts. Drive slowly and steadily uh, to make your car to have your car a safe drive, and also reach your destination safely without any problems. Please check before you start your car every day for a long drive or anything else. Thank you. And one more thing I want to tell you: for petrol car, make sure that your coolant should be good, because for petrol car coolant levels should be good, because coolant cooling the engine is the first priority for a petrol car engine. Not only petrol car but also diesel engine also, but petrol car needs more cooling. So make sure your coolant should be in the desired levels, so that you'll have a good drive without any applications. And your engine oils levels should be good. Make sure that every day. uh, Thank you. Thanks for watching.